It's just for color. Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we're going to be making festival noodles, aka 잔치국수. So my mom always talks about how popular this is in Korea and how they have an outdoor restaurant, like a tent, and people go there to drink and eat, and they always had 잔치국수, and she said it was really good and it was unbelievably cheap as well. We grew up eating this a lot in our house. It's a very simple but healthy dish. Let's jump right in and check out these ingredients. Today we're going to be using this. It's an anchovy broth, and Korea's so smart. Now they come up with all these things in tablet pieces. So let me show you guys what it looks like. This is very popular in Korea. Just drop it in and it creates a perfect broth. It's like you grab a handful of anchovy to get that broth. It creates the same broth in one tablet. So I got this at Costco. It was like about $14. We'll link an Amazon link down below in our description box if you guys want to purchase this. And if not, feel free to make your own broth using anchovies or kelp and etc. Now that we have the broth, we're gonna start working on our toppings. We'll let that boil on the side. And I'm using zucchini and carrots and egg and onion, something that brings in really good color. But feel free to substitute or add any other ingredients that you might like. This zucchini is from my grandma's garden. I love her zucchinis. There's something so fresh about organic, homegrown produce. Okay, now this is boiling. I'm just gonna turn it off and leave it off to the side while we cook our toppings. We're going to crack in 2 eggs. Beat the eggs. So pan's on low heat. We'll do a little bit of olive oil. Add our egg. Now let's flip this. I'm gonna roll this up so it makes it easier to cut later. We'll set it off to the side, let it cool down. Add some oil. Let's cook our zucchini next. The rest of the vegetables, we'll keep it on medium heat and cook it, and you can add salt just to season a little if you'd like. I'm just gonna keep it simple and not salt anything because we will have that soy sauce seasoning. I think we have the most zucchini of the vegetables. What's your favorite? Yes. Let's thinly slice the egg. This dish is popular because you would eat it at weddings. So in Korea, the guests from the guy side and the girl side get different food. A long time ago, the guy side got galbijjim and girls got festival noodles. And festival noodles were popular for weddings because it was cheap enough to feed a lot of people. Everyone would leave full. So that's why they used to make this dish for weddings. Do you guys know what it's time for? You guessed it, it's word of the day, and today's word of the day is garu, which means powder. So today we are using a couple things that have powder in it. So number one is this anchovy broth. It's powder form and compressed into tablets. And we also have garu, which is seaweed flakes. Yeah, I don't know why they considered this garu because it's not powdered. But today's word of the day is garu, which means powder. We'll add in our soy sauce. Our rice wine, minced garlic, scallions, and I have a mix of green and red chilies. The red is just for color, and Korean red pepper flakes. Give that a mix. I have a pan of water boiling. Let's add in our noodles. Okay, now let's go rinse this under cold water. Let's add noodles to our bowl. Let's add our broth. All right, let's eat. You need some yangnyeom.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want me to just give it to you?
Yep.
And then if you need more.
It smells really good.
It should be really good. I've tried using this broth before, and it was really good. Dang, use this works really well.
Ooh, the yangnyeomjang is so good. Very good. It's got a nice kick to it too.
Oh yeah, I put a lot of chili in there.
And the kimgaru, a lot of like sesame oil taste. So it's very good. Like hearty.
맛있다. Dang. You're like... The lighting today is like bright. Not bright. It's just very like 깔끔해? Clean?
Yeah, it's clean, light, it's warm. It's a lot of things.
I feel like this is like not too like hard to make.
It's simple.
Especially with that thing, the tablet.
Yeah, I agree. I think the tablets are very useful. Because you know these, I mean, that means you don't have to have like a big bag of anchovies in your freezer.
The broth is really what makes it. One last look before I end. I hope you guys tried this very traditional dish out, and write in the comments if you guys have liked this recipe or if you want to make it, and we'll see you guys on our next video.